Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain when England was a republic. England experienced a unique period as a republic, known as the Commonwealth, lasting for about 11 years. This significant shift in governance began after the English Civil War, culminating in the execution of King Charles I. The Rump Parliament then formally declared the nation a Commonwealth, marking a revolutionary departure from centuries of monarchy. During England's Republican phase, Oliver Cromwell rose to prominence as a formidable military and political figure. He played a crucial role in the parliamentary victory during the Civil War. Later, from 1653, he assumed the title of Lord Protector, effectively leading the nation. This era, known as the Protectorate, represented a distinct form of governance within the Republican experiment. The English Republic encountered significant challenges, including ongoing conflicts in Ireland and Scotland, alongside internal political strife. Despite Oliver Cromwell's strong leadership, establishing a truly stable government proved difficult. Following his death, his son Richard Cromwell briefly took over as Lord Protector, but he lacked the necessary authority and support to maintain the Protectorate, leading to further instability. Ultimately, the Republican experiment concluded with the restoration of the monarchy in May 1660. King Charles II returned from exile, marking the end of the interregnum. His declaration of Breda helped facilitate a relatively smooth transition back to royal rule, promising a general amnesty and religious toleration. This period fundamentally reshaped England's political landscape, leaving a lasting impact on its constitutional history. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.